So if you want a sweet treat today, but you don't want something unhealthy, you need to be cooking this weekend. These are my raw TWIX bars. I've talked about them before, but they are flipping amazing. My name's Dominique Ludwig. I'm a nutritionist. They are made from about 6 ingredients: oats, almonds, butter or coconut oil, maca, dates, almond butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. They are utterly divine, and they're so easy to make. So once you've tried these, you won't want to buy them ever again, because these are made with natural ingredients. The ingredients list sounds like a shopping list for the health food store, rather than an ultra processed food that you can buy at any newsagent, any store, that is going to upset your blood sugar levels, give you very little by way of nutrition, and do nothing really for your health. These, on the other hand, have minerals, vitamins, fiber in them, so you don't have to feel bad when you eat them. Because I'm feeling really nice, I've got the recipe in the link in bio. So they're called Dominatrix. Sorry, somebody named them for me. So please download it. It's completely free, and have a great weekend making them.